Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome everyone, and welcome, Nexo. This is a grammar class. Today we study he, she, it, plus verb plus s.
Hi, Emma. I am ready to learn.
First, let me show you the lesson structure. Theory, we learn the grammar rules. Examples, we see the grammar in sentences. Quiz, you practice what you learned. Nexo, are you ready to begin?
Yes, I am ready.
Now we start with the theory. We go step by step.
Great. I will pay attention.
He, she, and it. In the present simple, use he, she, and it for one person, one animal, or one thing. Example. He opens the door. Example. She holds a red bag. Example. It makes a loud sound. He often means a man or a boy. She often means a woman or a girl. It often means an animal or a thing. Example. He wears a blue hat. Example. She draws a small cat. Example. It sits on the table. Add s to the verb. With he, she, and it, add s to the verb in affirmative present simple sentences. Example. He reads a book. Example. She drinks water. Example. It moves slowly. The basic pattern is subject plus verb with s, plus the rest of the sentence. Example. He cooks rice. Example. She plays tennis. Example. It rains at night. Do not add s with I, you, we, or they. Use s only with he, she, and it. Do not use s with I, you, we, or they. Example. He works in a shop. Example. They work in a shop. Add es after some verb endings. Some verbs take es with he, she, and it. This happens after sounds like s, sh, x, and o. Example. She watches TV. Example. He goes home. Example. It fixes the problem. Have becomes has. The verb have is special. With he, she, and it, use has. Example. He has a bike. Example. She has a camera. Example. It has 4 wheels. Good work with the theory. Now, examples will help us practice.
Examples make the rules clearer.
He eats an apple. She reads a letter. It sleeps on the sofa. He drives a taxi. She washes a cup. It opens the window. He watches a film. She sings a song. It jumps over a box. He carries a backpack. She teaches English. It shines in the sky. He has a black dog. She goes to school. It catches the ball. Now it is quiz time. Let us reinforce what we learned.
I am ready for the challenge.
Choose an option. Plays. He plays football. Choose an option. Drinks. She drinks milk. Choose an option. It runs fast. Choose an option. Watches. He watches TV. Choose an option. Goes. She goes home. Choose an option. Has. It has a small tail. Choose an option. Reads. He reads a map. Choose an option. Cooks. She cooks soup. Choose an option. Closes. It closes the box. Choose an option. Fixes. He fixes the bike. Choose an option. Writes. She writes a note. Choose an option. Washes. It washes the floor. Good job. You completed the class. See you in the next lesson.
Thank you, Emma.
See you next time.